Hi, this is Dave. We're making jambalaya today. We've gotten to the point where we're going to do some shrimp. So let me show you how to clean them. These are nice Gulf shrimp. All you do is put your thumb there on the bottom and just peel it. They're really easy to peel, and just pull with the tail and it comes right out. Now there's usually a mud vein in the back and also there's one in the front that you can see here. You can just put your knife in and take that right out. Just pull that right out of there. It'll make a nice clean shrimp for you. Same thing, let's look at that again. We can just peel the shrimp, pull it right out with the tail, just like that. Then we have the mud vein. Let's go down the back on this one. Okay, and this one's very clean. It looks like these are a really nice batch. Again, we'll pull this here. And also, besides this method, I like to use the paring knife, as you see. You take out a little bit of the vein there. You can also use, they have all sorts of little gadgets at the stores that you can actually peel your shrimp with one of these. You put this down the back of the shrimp, just like that, and it peels and deveins it at the same time. So you see the split down there, and then you can just peel the shell right off of there.